Hello viewers, I am Kausalya. Today we start our exercise 4.1 problem 1. So it has 8 subdivisions. We start with first one. Check whether the following are quadratic equations. So here the first one is x plus 1 whole square is equal to 2 into x minus 3. So normally in these kind of problems we have to simplify the given equation and finally we have to check whether it is in the form of ax square plus bx plus c. That's it. So here we have x plus 1 whole square. So this is of the format a plus b whole square. So what is the formula of a plus b whole square? It is given by a square plus b square plus 2ab. So here in the place of a I have x, in the place of b I have 1. So just substitute the values. So x square plus 1 plus 2ab, 2 into x into 1, which is equal to, here I am going to multiply this 2 within this bracket, within the elements inside the bracket. So here 2 into x, 2x, and 2 into minus 3, minus 6. Now when you simplify here, x square plus 1 plus 2 into 1 into x gives you 2x. So which is equal to 2x minus 6. So now I am going to arrange all the terms on one side. So here I am moving this 2x minus 6 to the left hand side. So when you move these terms to the left hand side, there will be a sign change. So first write these three elements here. Then when you move this term to the left hand side, this plus 2x becomes minus 2x and minus 6 becomes plus 6. So here this 2x and 2x get cancelled. And finally we end up with x square plus 1 plus 6 is 7. So x square plus 7 is equal to 0. So here now we have to check whether this is of the format ax square plus bx plus c. So now can you make a guess here? Obviously, yes, this is of the format ax square plus bx plus c. That is the coefficient b is 0 here. That's it. And again you see the value of a should not be equal to 0. And here we have the value of a as 1. Therefore, the given equation is a quadratic equation. Now we start solving second one. So x square minus 2x is equal to minus 2 into 3 minus x. So here the left hand side it is given clearly, we can't do anything. So write it as such. And in the right hand side you see you can multiply this minus 2 with the terms here. So minus 2 into 3 minus 6 and minus 2 into minus x plus 2x. Again when you move these terms to the left hand side there will be a sign change. So write these two terms here. Then minus 6 becomes plus 6 and plus 2x becomes minus 2x. Now when you simplify we have x square, only one x square term. So write it, and here I am having minus 2x and minus 2x. So minus 2x makes minus 4x, and here this plus 6 equal to 0. Again now we have to check whether this equation is of the standard form. So again here this is of the standard form because we have a x square term, we have a x and a constant. So therefore the given equation is a quadratic equation. So this is your third subdivision. X minus 2 into x plus 1 is equal to x minus 1 into x plus 3. So here we have to again multiply and rearrange the terms. So when you multiply you see x into x, x square, minus 2 into x, minus 2x. Next I am going to multiply this term with 1. So 1 into x is x and 1 into minus 2 is minus 2. So which is equal to, again I am going to multiply this term with x. So x into x, x square, minus 1 into x, minus x. And when you multiply with 3, 3 into x, 3x, and 3 into minus 1, minus 3. Now we are going to simplify. So here I have minus 2x plus x. So minus 2x plus x gives you minus x. So x square, I am simplifying these two terms. So the answer is minus x, and here it is minus 2. So which is equal to x square, 3x minus x gives you 2x minus 3. Now I am going to rearrange the terms. So I am moving this term to the left hand side. Again it's up to you. You can even move this term to the right hand side. Okay, anyway the final answer will be the same. So here Whenever I move this term to the left hand side, there is a sign change. Therefore, minus x square minus 2x minus 3. Okay, here these three terms have a sign change. Now, this plus x square and minus x square cancel each other. And when you simplify, you see minus x minus 2x gives minus 3x. And minus 2 plus 3 gives plus 1. So, minus 3x plus 1 is equal to 0. And again, since the initial term has a minus sign, I am multiplying, or else what to say? It's better to say like this, okay? Since I need a positive term in the beginning, I am going to multiply this entire term with the minus sign. So minus into minus 3x, okay, plus 3x, and minus into plus 1 gives minus 1 equal to 0. So when you compare this equation with the standard equation again, you see there is no x square term here. If we have x square term, then it is a quadratic equation, no doubt. But here we don't have that term. Therefore, this is not of the form ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0. Therefore, the given equation is not a quadratic equation. Now we proceed with our next question. So question number 4. X minus 3 into 2x plus 1 is equal to x into x plus 5. So again we have to multiply. So x into 2x, 2x square, and again 1 into x plus x. Okay, it's up to you. You can multiply anyway. Here I am multiplying this x with these terms. So x into 2x, 2x square, and x into 1, x. And minus 3 into 2x minus 6x minus 3 into plus 1 minus 3. So which is equal to x into x, x square, x into 5, 5x. So here when you simplify, you see 2x square. Here I have minus 6x and plus x. So minus 6x plus x gives you minus 5x minus 3. Here this minus 3 here, which is equal to x square plus 5x. So again, we are going to move these terms to the left hand side. So write the left hand side terms as such. And here whenever these terms are moved, there will be a sign change. So here this becomes plus x square becomes minus x square, and plus 5x becomes minus 5x, which is equal to 0. So when you simplify, you see 2x square minus x square gives you plus x square. And here I have minus 5x and here minus 5x. So minus 5 minus 5 minus 10x. And minus 3 here because I am having only one constant, no more constants here. Therefore, write this minus 3 as such. So here our final equation is x square minus 10x minus 3 is equal to 0. So again, when you compare this with the standard equation, it gets satisfies, right? Because we have an x square term, we have a x and a constant. Here, just I want to tell you, you people may have a doubt that here all these terms are with plus sign, but here we have some minus sign, right? So even if you have a minus sign, wait, let me compare and show you. This is a standard equation and this is our given equation, right? So when you compare, here the value of a is 1 because the coefficient of x square is a, here the coefficient of x square is 1. And the next thing is, here the coefficient of x is b. What about the coefficient of x here? It is minus 10. And here in the place of constant, I have a minus 3. So here the sign of minus or plus doesn't matter. Here the baseline is you should have an x square term. It is compulsory. Even if you don't have an x term, it's okay. But it is mandatory to have a x square term, right? And a constant. So here in this case, we have all these three terms. Whereas in our first problem, here you see we simply have x square plus 7. Though we have x square plus 7, we are defining this as a quadratic equation because here we are assuming that is the value of the coefficient of b is 0. Right, that's it. So this is also a quadratic equation. So that's all. If you have any doubt, let me know in the comment section. Thank you.